morning, sir.
Good morning, Miss.
Today we are going to the evaluation as usual. I will ask from the LP, no, not LP, sorry. I will ask from the summary point, from the vocabulary list, and then from the homework that you have made for this week. So I will start from the summary point. Summary point here, Bahasa Indonesia. Oke, coba ini dijelaskan tentang summary point yang serbuat ini.
Oke, konsumtif. Konsumtif itu adalah perilaku atau sifat menggunakan barang secara berlebihan dan tidak menghasilkan. Istilah lain dari konsumtif ini ketika suatu kegiatan ketika kita sudah memiliki suatu barang, namun kita tetap membeli barang yang serupa hanya karena menginginkannya bukan karena membutuhkannya. Itu adalah contoh sifat konsumtif. Lawan kata dari konsumtif adalah produktif. Ketika kita mampu memanfaatkan waktu dengan baik dan menghasilkan sesuatu. Sesuatu ini saya sudah jelaskan sebelumnya kepada siswa, bukan hanya dalam bentuk barang. Ketika kita punya waktu dan kita belajar, kita dapat menghasilkan ilmu pengetahuan. Itu merupakan salah satu bentuk produktif. Dan yang terakhir adalah energi, yaitu kemampuan untuk melakukan kerja atau suatu usaha. Misalnya energi listrik, yaitu kemampuan listrik dalam mengolah sumber daya dan mengubah bentuknya.
Now we move to PPKN. Please explain tentang apa ini menghargai keragaman ya?
Ya, menghargai keragaman. Salah satu contoh menghargai keragaman yaitu menghargai perbedaan latar belakang baik berupa suku, agama, dan ras, latar belakang keluarga kita perlu menghargai, status ekonomi. Kemudian kita perlu menyelesaikan masalah dengan bijak, tidak melalui pertikaian atau perselisihan, melainkan tetap menegakkan kedamaian. Yang ketiga, belajar berperilaku baik, saling menasihati dan saling menjaga persatuan.
IPAS ini tentang apa, Sir, yang Sir ajarkan di minggu ini?
IPAS aktivitas spesial, materinya tentang bumi. Itu belajar tentang lapisan bumi, lapisan atmosfer, dan lapisan hidrosfer. Jadi untuk aktivitas spesial di hari ini kami berencana membuat proyek tentang membuat siklus perputaran air di bumi, lapisan atmosfer, dan lapisan bumi.
Okay. Now we move to science. Please explain about this, sir. Magnets and magnetic materials.
Oh yeah, okay, magnets and magnetic material. Magnets is all the material that can attract magnetic material, and it can be attract or repel magnetic object. We can see the using of magnet in one instrument just like compass. Compass help us to find the direction, to determine the direction in geographic, and source for direction, for N for north, W for west, E for east, and S for south.
S for?
South.
So the topic about magnet and magnetic materials, yeah?
Magnetic and magnetic materials.
Is there any special activity also about science?
Special?
What do you do?
Actually, there are experiments about what is the difference between magnetic materials and magnet. But because we do not have the magnet yet, I have explained the experiment to them. Then Warren has a pencil case that has a magnet. Then we try to do by using paperclip. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was working.
Yeah.
Okay. English. Okay, what do you do?
Yeah, for this special activity, we have learned about chapter 5 about in Istanbul. So we draw a guide map.
Oh, there is activity here for this week, special activity.
Yeah, special activity.
About?
We make a guide map. About map. About all the places we can visit in Istanbul. So I give them the description. I give them the
Why
picture.
did you choose in Istanbul?
Because the chapter is about Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Yeah.
Oh. So you ask them to draw a map of Istanbul.
Yeah, and I give them a description about the place. So they try to find fun fact about the description they write in the map.
Oh.
So just like Bosphorus Bridge, they draw a Bosphorus Bridge, then they write a fun fact about the Bosphorus Bridge. When the bridge built, uh, where is the exactly position in the location in the Istanbul, just like that.
Did you explain another special thing from Istanbul to make it different with other country? Maybe you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't. We focus on Istanbul actually.
I mean, yeah, still Istanbul. Something special from Istanbul that make the country is different with another country, for example, besides the book. Did you?
I didn't, but we have learned about a little bit about another country because there is a material about it, just like what fruit it's come from another country, but about the place now.
Because just now you say there is a fun fact about
Yeah.
Istanbul, right? Maybe you can add maybe as another
The different
thing,
with another country.
another thing that make this country is really special. Though. This country is really special, and then this is different with another country, for example. Then you can find another thing that make it special, according to me.
Yes. Okay.
Because you're still explaining to them, right, in this week, or
Already.
you have done.
Or I have
Next
done.
week, no more about Istanbul.
No, we learned about new chapter.
I mean, for the next, if there is a topic like that, maybe you can find, for example, same like this, right?
Okay.
I mean, not so really different with the book, but this is still related to the book. I mean, to
We develop.
enrich their, no, to enrich their knowledge, right?
I got it.
For example, okay, this is fun fact about Istanbul. Yeah, and then after you explain from the book something special from the country, and then students because you have search for another
Okay.
thing, according to me like that.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Health education, what are you doing, Ezra?
We were doing about special activity also. This is chapter about air pollution. So we have learned about what all the things that can cause air pollution, how to prevent air pollution, and what is the effect of air pollution in our
What
body.
did you prepare?
So I asked them to write a poster, to draw a poster about air pollution. It can be about how to prevent air pollution, all the things that can cause air pollution. I give them a right to choose what the idea they want to choose to draw. So some students draw about source of air pollution. Some students will draw about how to prevent air pollution, just like do not smoking.
Okay, now we move to vocabulary. Vocabulary list. Bahasa Indonesia, apa itu ilustrator?
Ilustrator adalah kegiatan menggambar atau membuat karakter. Ilustrator sendiri digunakan pada majalah untuk menjelaskan ide atau suatu karakter. Contohnya ilustrator membuat majalah.
Okay. Universal.
Universal adalah sesuatu yang berlaku secara umum. Universal merupakan sifat yang dapat diterima oleh semua orang, misalnya keadilan. Itu contoh universal, bentuk universal.
Umum berarti universal.
Iya.
Ya. Prasarana.
Prasarana adalah infrastruktur atau berbagai alat yang digunakan untuk mendukung kegiatan. Misalnya untuk kegiatan transportasi, prasarana yang digunakan yaitu seperti jembatan, jalan, dan lain-lain.
Okay, now we move to PPKN. Halal.
Halal sesuatu yang diperbolehkan secara agama. Halal cenderung digunakan dalam agama Islam. Sesuatu yang diperbolehkan secara agama, ya itu halal.
Lumpia.
Lumpia adalah salah satu makanan tradisional yang berisi sayuran dan daging. Lumpia berasal dari Semarang dan ya isinya itu merupakan kulit tipis yang berisi sayuran dan daging.
Mengelak?
Mengelak berusaha tidak mengakui kesalahan, sifat yang tidak jujur dan tidak ingin menerima kesalahan yang dia lakukan.
Keturunan?
Keturunan adalah keturunan adalah keturunan sesuatu yang berasal dari warisan keluarga. Itu keturunan itu dari keluarga, misalnya keturunan ayah dan keturunan ibu.
Okay, now we move to homework. Apa itu disebut proses penggabungan berbagai elemen?
Pembaruan.
Okay. Homework. Apa itu telegraf?
Telegraf adalah pesawat yang digunakan untuk mengirim pesan jarak jauh.
Apa itu konsumtif?
Konsumtif kegiatan memakai sesuatu secara berlebihan dan tidak menghasilkan.
Apa itu globalisasi?
Globalisasi.
Globalisasi.
Proses masuknya hal ke dalam dunia.
Bagaimana contoh sifat konsumtif dalam kehidupan sehari-hari?
Contoh sifat konsumtif dalam kehidupan sehari-hari ketika kita sudah memiliki pena, kita masih membeli pena karena keinginan bentuknya bagus.
Contoh kalimat fakta dan opini?
Contoh kalimat fakta, hari ini hari Kamis. Contoh kalimat opini, saya pandai dalam matematika.
Saya pandai dalam
Matematika.
Okay, now move to science. What else can magnet do besides helping to show direction in a compass?
Magnets can attract other magnet object and can repel magnet object.
So what is the difference actually between a magnet and a magnetic material?
Magnet actually can attract and repel other magnetic object, but while magnetic material only can be attracted by magnet.
Sir, for science, why do you put two questions, the same questions, number 2 and 8?
Two questions?
Yeah. Number 2, what is the difference between
But
magnet?
there are different options, right?
Yes, I mean, even though the question is same.
I take it from the book actually, but probably I make a mistake one.
You cannot find another question. The question mustn't be same, must not be same. Must be different. Yeah, for the next.
Yeah, we'll check it later.
So if an object is repelled by one end of magnet, what can you conclude about the object?
So if the object repelled by one end of the magnet, it must be magnetic material.
What are the letters in the compass represent the cardinal directions?
N for north, S for south, W for west, and E for east.
So how can we know that we are on the north side, for example?
North side always usually direct to the top one. West to the left, east for to the right, and south to the back, our back. Usually like that.
So what is the function of magnet in our daily life?
The function of magnet. We can see the function of magnet just like in the fan, in the pencil case also.
Pardon?
In the pencil case, I have asked them about any function of magnet in our surroundings.
So what are the examples that you have given to the students for the magnet, for the magnetic material and non-magnetic materials
For
in their class?
Oh yeah, for magnet, I have shown them the pencil case, Warren pencil case about the function of magnet. For magnetic material, I have asked them, and they point to the chair that makes from the. They point to the metal spoon, their metal spoon. Yeah.
So what is compass actually?
Compass is an instrument that help us to determine the direction in geography.
Okay, now we move to PPKN. Jati diri itu apa, sir?
Jati diri adalah identitas diri atau karakter yang sifatnya menggambarkan diri, misalnya latar belakang, suku, budaya, agama, itu contoh bentuk dari jati diri.
Keragaman budaya Indonesia meliputi apa?
Keragaman bahasa daerah.
Keragaman bahasa daerah. Berarti kalau makanan tidak masuk keragaman budaya ya?
Makanan tradisional iya.
Makanan tradisional. Berarti seolah menjebak mereka ya. Yeah. Sebenarnya pakaian tradisional juga termasuk.
Ya, yeah, actually.
Tapi karena tidak ada tradisionalnya, jadi salah dia.
So it's not keragaman budaya ya.
Kenapa sih keragaman di Indonesia itu harus kita syukuri?
Karena keragaman budaya merupakan kekayaan bangsa yang perlu dijaga dan disyukuri.
Bagaimana mencegah terjadinya pertikaian, baik dalam kelas ataupun dalam lingkungan?
Mencegah pertikaian dengan menghargai pendapat teman, bersifat toleransi, dan saling memaafkan.
Coba ceritakan tentang Bisma ini.
Ya, Bisma dan 4 orang temannya di dalam suatu kelas. Kemudian Nela, salah satu siswa, Nela tiba-tiba mendorong salah satu temannya gara-gara dia menuduh temannya mengambil penanya. Kemudian mereka bertikai dan akhirnya Bonar datang melerai pertikaian tersebut, dan di akhirnya dia mengaku bahwasannya yang mengambil pena tersebut bukan temannya Nela, melainkan dia. Namun dia tidak meminta izin karena pada saat itu Nela tidak berada di dalam kelas.
Jadi apa yang disarankan Bisma kepada 3 temannya?
Ya, kemudian Bisma menyarankan mereka untuk saling berdamai dan memaafkan.
Jadi apa kesalahan Bonar?
Bonar tidak meminta izin ketika menggunakan pena.
Jadi apa yang disimpulkan dalam cerita tersebut?
Kita tidak boleh menfitnah dan menghindari pertikaian dengan menghargai pendapat teman.
Apa sebutan silahkan masuk yang diucapkan oleh nenek Katy Lee?
King Jin Lai.
Okay, now we move to English. How can we say in a polite way to ask for help?
Could you bring me this book?
What does this is a text ya, there is a text ya for English.
About?
Experiencing different cultures.
Yeah, that's the text. That is a text.
What is it about?
That we don't have to go to another country to experience about the country. We just can experience them about through the product or media from the country. That's like the things that made from China.
What does world refers to?
A circle movement.
Here about Puebi ya.
PB.
PB.
Yeah.
The name? Is
Yeah,
this
the
the
name.
name? Why PB couldn't get into the train?
She wasn't fast enough.
Pardon?
She was not fast enough.
Is this the different story also?
Yeah, different story.
What is it about?
Three friends, Patrick, PB, and one friend another. They were going to the Istanbul to sightseeing. Then accidentally, PB get left in the taxi train because she wasn't fast enough to get inside. So Patrick and Alex already go inside and they go for sightseeing in the Istanbul. Then they meet Ali that help us to find back the PB.
So what was in Istanbul name in 2010?
European capital of culture.
So what shouldn't we do when we are in Istanbul?
Avoid to taking picture without permission.
So what is the function of comb in marbling process?
To make a swirls pattern.
What the Japanese artists use to make the ink move?
Leaf.
Alright. I think that's all for the evaluation for today, sir. Based on your explanation just now, I think you passed in this evaluation. Just my feedback, we don't run out from the book, but we can find another sources to support our explanation in the class to make the material is interesting, yeah, and then to enrich the students' knowledge as well.
Okay, got it, Miss.
I think that's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.